Mastering the art of polite phrases for asking directions. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on conversational English. Today, we're going to explore a crucial part of any conversation: polite phrases for asking directions. This video will equip you with the necessary skills to ask for directions confidently, politely, and effectively. Let's dive right in. The first thing to note is that politeness goes a long way when asking for help, including when you need to ask for directions. Politeness shows respect and understanding, making the interaction smoother and more pleasant for everyone involved. It can also increase the likelihood of getting a helpful response. Now let's look at some common polite phrases you can use when asking for directions. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Excuse me, could you please tell me how to get to? This phrase is polite and straightforward. Remember to say, "Excuse me," before you start to catch the person's attention politely. "I'm sorry to bother you, but could you help me find?" This phrase is very polite and shows that you appreciate the other person's time. "I'm a bit lost. Can you point me in the direction of?" This phrase is informal and friendly, yet still polite. It's a great way to start a conversation if you're feeling a bit lost. "Could you kindly direct me to?" This phrase is a bit more formal, but still very polite. It's a good one to use in professional or formal situations. After you have used a polite phrase to start the conversation, be clear about your destination. You might say, "Could you please tell me how to get to Main Street?" Or, "Could you help me find the nearest subway station?" Remember, specificity will make it easier for the person to give you accurate directions. Once you've received the directions, don't forget to thank the person for their help. Simple phrases like, "Thank you very much," "I really appreciate your help," or, "Thanks, you've been very helpful," are good ways to express your gratitude. So, there you have it, folks. You're now ready to politely and confidently ask for directions in English. Just remember, the key elements are politeness, clarity in your request, and showing appreciation afterward. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon you'll be a master at asking for directions. Until next time, keep learning, and happy language adventures.